Apple has unveiled the most exciting innovation of the year, Apple Vision Pro, an MR headsets that allows spatial computing through the wearer eyes, voice and hand. Pioneering the future of Metaverse, the Apple Vision Pro comes with a 23 million pixel screen that would cover your face like a ski book. It delivers impressive graphic experience and seamless integration. Apple Vision Pro runs on the M2 processor with the R1 chipset, same as Mac. The device runs smoothly. The Vision Pro seamlessly integrates with the Apple existing ecosystem, enhancing gaming and entertainment experience within the Metaverse. There is no doubt the Vision Pro will play an important role in the future of Metaverse. According to report, the Vision Pro will be available by next year in the US market, but in India it will come later 2024. Are you excited to try Apple Vision Pro? Let us know in the comment section, and don't forget to follow Brainium.